So Filipino MSM player here. So we're gonna react to the new clubbox act. I forgot the name, but it's gonna be good. I just know. So first, so I'll unlock that in the next video. So next, we're gonna Land Island. I always put boosted here, but I will do Cold Island because I'm giving love there. So even though the clubbox is not here yet, I will do the trailer. Now we're gonna ginger bell first doing the collab. Just wait for the ad. Ignore those. Those are my cats. Fear meows. So now, reacting to the LVMEZNG lyric video. And I just noticed that lyric. Hey, 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 was deep. the new monsters. So this is the Inflatterer. Credits to MPG via the video. So what is this? Is the this is fun game. And I bet this will be drowned by monsters. Because it sounds so good. This is not my this is not my spooky type, but it's very good. I'm gonna rate the minor version. I mean the major version. 7.5 out of 10. So now we're doing minor. Why did it play so little? Play more. Even though this is not my spooky type, and it looks too ugly. And this would be drowned by the monsters. Yep. No. Rating that. Inflatterer minor version. That sucks. So 2 out of 10. I knew it would be drowned. Not look like it's gonna match. So we're doing epic cantorel. This actually looks fire.
Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow.
So it has 3 heads, but the third one has no mouth.
Winnie wow, Winnie wow, wow, Winnie wow, no. Winnie wow, Winnie wow, no.
So I'm rating epic cantorel 9 out of 10 because it's my favorite color, green. It has gas color. It has 3 heads. I like multi-head monsters, and it's my favorite vocals.
Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow,
Winnie wow, Winnie wow.
Winnie wow,
Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow, Winnie wow. So now we're doing epic wheezel. This looks peak. 3 hands. I saw this at the trailers. Oh, that's my kitten crying. Wait. It's just them at the kitten box. Back to the video. So, even though it sucks at sounds, it looks good enough for my approval. I approve this one. So I rate this a 9 out of 10. It looks so good. And love it. Hot tropic, monastic, pineapple. sun. Something at the sun. Called scroll. We don't need to know that. That's all. Very clean.
Manhid na naman, tusok-tusok na naman, at nerve pain na naman? Try the most doctor-prescribed Neurobion. It's 4 times B12 versus a generic. Helps repair...
Now, let's react to the next paranormal carnival with the Inflatterer. First, so let's try minor. And this is major. So I guess goodbye guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.